Hi, I'm Cyril T. Domingo, the founder of BrainTech Digital Designer, and welcome to my freelance space where creativity meets technology. At BrainTech, I specialize in crafting innovative digital solutions that help brands stand out. Whether it's unique web design, captivating logos, or clean, impactful graphic, my mission is simple: to elevate your brand's presence through thoughtful and engaging designs. My services range from web design and development to graphic and logo design, all tailored to meet your specific needs. I'm not just about making things look good. I'm here to solve your design challenges by merging creativity, strategy with the latest digital trends. At BrainTech, I believe in building lasting partnerships with my clients, providing ongoing support, and helping your brand evolve as the digital world changes. Ready to make your brand to the next level? Let's collaborate and turn your vision into reality. Contact BrainTech today and let's design something amazing together.